something pleasantly surprising. I was shooting this little crap pistol crossbow, the £50 one, at the archery boss. Now, I don't know how clear this is going to be on the camera. I might zoom in, but I don't know if that's going to be really grainy. But there's actually one of the yellow bolts in there went in very well. I'll switch to the proper zoom, and I swear I fired this at about 20 yards. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to fire another 5 bolts off with it, standing from here, and I'll see if I can get any sort of consistent group accuracy on there and see if it's just, you know, a lucky one-off shot. Okay, that's that set up. I'm going to be standing by the camera to shoot, just so you can see I'm not cheating and firing it from a different crossbow or standing a lot closer or whatever, and we'll see if we actually get a decent group, but I imagine that was just a one-off lucky shot. That one went too high. I think part of the problem with this is there's no stock to it, so you're always getting a bit of hand shaking when you're aiming them. Last shot. Okay, let's see how it did. As you can probably tell, I think only 3 of the shots I fired went in, but still surprisingly good for one of these pistol crossbow. So that one in the middle almost was the first shot. So we've had one go in below to the left and 2 to the upper right. That's still not a bad group for one of these really cheap pistol crossbows. Now, the one that went a bit high went in the gate, so that still penetrated a little bit, but not much at that range. I'm going to need some pliers, aren't I? Because yeah, that's just taken the head off and left the head in the gate. Still inferior compared to an actual air rifle, but yeah, not as bad as I thought it would be, but still obviously not very good.